Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Finelo subscription. So let's get started. So if you have any active Finelo subscription and you want to cancel that, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is go to your settings and then you gotta go to the search bar and type in subscription. And here is subscription Apple account. If you're using Android, you can follow similar steps. Simply go to settings and type in subscription. So you'll be able to see subscriptions and click on that. You will be redirected to a page where you'll be able to see all of your active subscriptions. So you need to find Finelo in the list and you'll be able to see a cancel subscription button right in front of you. So all you need to do is click on that button and your Finelo subscription will be cancelled. Also note that if you have an active subscription and if you have a few weeks for that subscription to end, even though you cancel the subscription, but the subscription will remain active until that time. And when that time is reached, your subscription will be dismissed. And that's basically how you can cancel Finelo subscription. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.